With the financial year coming to a close, are you still figuring out how to save taxes? Well, I've got something exciting to share with you today. ELSS funds. Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Bajaj Finserv ELSS Tax Saver Funds. What is ELSS? ELSS or Equity Linked Savings Schemes is like hitting two birds with one stone. It's a unique investment vehicle that helps you save taxes under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act while potentially growing your wealth through equity investments. Think about it. Most people view tax saving and wealth creation as separate goals, but why not achieve both together? That's exactly what ELSS offers. For example, if your gross income is 12 lakhs and you invest 1.5 lakhs in ELSS, you could save up to 46,800 in taxes under the old tax regime. Now let's talk about some key features of ELSS. First, the shortest lock-in period. While other tax-saving options like PPF have a lock-in period of 15 years and tax-saving FD have 5 years, ELSS only requires 3 years. This makes it most flexible tax-saving investment option available. Second, growth potential. ELSS invests primarily in equity markets. Yes, markets that seem volatile in short term, but historically, they have shown strong potential for wealth creation over the long term. Third, accessibility. You can start with as little as 500 rupees per month through SIPs, making it perfect for systematic wealth building. Now let's discuss why Bajaj Finserv ELSS Tax Saver Fund deserves your attention. This fund comes with the backing of the trusted Bajaj Finserv brand and brings a unique investment approach called InCube. InCube stands for Information Edge, which means superior information collection, Behavioral Edge, which means better decision making, and Quantitative Edge, which means advanced data processing. Now let's meet the expert behind this fund. This fund will be managed by Mr. Nimesh Chandan, the CIO Equity at Bajaj Finserv AMC. As an industry veteran, Mr. Chandan brings extensive equity market experience and a proven portfolio management track record. This fund follows a robust three-step investment process. First, bottom-up stock selection through fundamental analysis. Second, ensuring appropriate valuation for long-term investment. And third, following a buy and hold strategy for growth businesses. This NFO is open until 22nd January 2025, giving you the perfect opportunity to start tax-saving journey while building long-term wealth. So don't wait until the last minute for tax planning. Consider investing in Bajaj Finserv ELSS Tax Saver Fund today. Well, this was all about Bajaj Finserv ELSS Tax Saver Fund. We hope you liked this video. Thank you.